Showing instructions, one day only open house Saturday, May 1, 2021, 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Submit best offer by 4 p.m. Sunday, May 2, 2021. 2. Listing agent. Sellers will make a selection at that time. Thank you. A charming 1,920s home with huge potential awaits its next owner. Located in the Historic District of Palmetto. This nice quiet neighborhood is a short walk to the charming downtown with parks, restaurants, Regatta Point Marina, and the Manatee River. Ride your bike to Emerson Point Preserve or take in the beaches of Santa Maria Island or Terra Ceia Island on the southern shore of Tampa Bay, both just a short drive away. An easy commute to downtown Street. Petersburg or Sarasota, 25 minutes, with quick access to Tampa via I-75.